Zamling concert shoe pair ki igla dolanang sangmala testile shugiya. Tineta di khasing ye tiwa shi tang bayi. Tiwa shi ne tiwa sum de tanda ti shibati tanda chera ti ya yi. Ta di tiwa di tang ne junta chik dugi yore. Yine le tiwa teso la len kyun baba chikyang mindu. Ta chikye watanda Australia la shugen gegen chemo professor chigi len kyun sha kurai numchok barada. Yine kurangi len kangla kansam yabu kyun sha. Ta you shouldn't go. You shouldn't go. You shouldn't go. Nepali ma timi janu hundaina. Samai khero janu dinu hundaina. Rakshi khanu hundaina. Testai hundaina. So you shouldn't. You shouldn't go. You shouldn't waste your time. You shouldn't commit sin like that. Shouldn't. So khandis lagore you kha yata kya tengo ke da ke ra na ram kerang you go verb go kerang au karatata danarudu shouldn't ra kata ga yata gya se to do yanaru yoda ye ma so kerang do to go gyu yo mare. Likewise, you can say you shouldn't waste your money, you shouldn't waste your time, you should not commit sin. Shouldn't gyu yo mare. Our Nepali ma tapai kita timi janu hundaina. Nu hundaina, samai khero phalnu hundaina, pap गर्नु हुँदैन रक्सी पिउनु हुँदैन गु यो मारे तंगी दिखारे you should have gone there. You should have gone there sena ti tuchu di yangna kokap di short habre ta sosola kokap di yomare ina yang ta gesem di ngamne ani you should have this sunguyor but now you should have told me you should have learned English today na you should have. So you regret for your so you listeners you should have gone there. You the listener you should have gone there. So you missed the opportunity. You missed the chance. So in that case, you should have gone there. Nepali ma भन्नु पर्यो भने चाहिँ you should have gone there. You should have गन्दियर भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ त्यो हिजो अस्ति भइसकेको त्यो समयमा तपाईले गर्नु सकेन र अलिकति पस्तावा छ भने त्यतिखेर should have भन्नुपर्छ र अङ्ग्रेजीमा चाहिँ यसलाई चाहिँ hypothetical sentence hypothetical यस्तो सेन्टेन्सहरूलाई चाहिँ अङ्ग्रेजीको ग्रामर टर्म चाहिँ hypothetical sentence त you should have gone there, you should have told me, you should have stopped drinking alcohol, should have hypothetical sentence. So you kaya katong bukhe dakhe ranarang kerang, you should have gone. How karta tanaru do. In Tibetan, the verb is in present tense. Kerang do. You should have told me. You should have called me. Do, and then should have. Dao gan naru bolsa gu re pa. You should have called me. You should have prepared in advance. You should have. Kerang do go riba. Kerang do go riba. In Tibetan, there is not that important. So, kerang do go riba. नेपालीमा भनिन्छ तिमी जानु पर्थ्यो नि, मलाई भन्नु पर्थ्यो नि, चाबी मलाई दिनु पर्थ्यो नि, उसलाई दिनु पर्थ्यो नि, सिक्नु पर्थ्यो नि। कुनै क्रियामा लाग्छ, आउनु पर्थ्यो नि, जानु पर्थ्यो नि, भन्नु पर्थ्यो नि, भन्नु पर्यो चाहिँ क्रियाको पछाडि गो रेपा भन्ने। अब shall I help you? When you say should I help you, shall I help you, you are offering your help to someone and you want to know if they want your help or not. So should I help you? Shall I help you? Should I help you? Should I come? Should I keep the book on the table? Should I? अब नेपालीमा चाहिँ shall I help you? तपाईलाई मद्दत गरौँ मेरो तर्फदेखि मैले अफर गर्दैछु, तपाई मद्दत गर्नु चाहेको छ र सुन्ने मान्छेलाई चाहेको छ कि छैन त्यस्तो सोध्दाखेरि म आऊँ, कहिले आऊँ, कहाँ राखौँ? Shall I help you? तपाईलाई मद्दत गरौँ, म भोलि आऊँ, कति बजे आऊँ? Shall I? You are offering someone help and you want to know if he wants help or not. So, shall I help you? Help. Ranaro ro ga sa rok pa che shall I? Ga. Shall I? Shall I come? Shall I keep it on the table? Shall I consult shall I consult the teacher? Shall I? Should I? Should I help? Should I help you? Rokpa che ga. And if you shall I help you? And then you kerang la to you. Kerang la rokpa che ga. Or we can simply say rokpa che ga. Shall I help you? So should I? When should I call you? Where should I keep it? If you want to say should I, you add ga at the end of the sentence. You should have. Go repa. You shouldn't. Do your marriage. And then lastly, we have one more sentence. I could have finished. I could have finished. I could have. For I could have. I could have. I could have finished. I could have finished. I could have finished it on time. I could have finished it on the time. The indicator I could have finished it on the time. So now, then this gyobakibe dunyang yore. Did kokab di short sabre. You missed the opportunity. And you have some sense of regret when you say, I could have finished it on time. The answer hypothetical sentence. Hypothetical sentence. Hypothetical sentence. I could have finished it. I could have done it. I could have helped you. The hypothetical sentence here. The kokab di changilapane shobare. You missed the opportunity. And you are saying something like this after the opportunity is not more in your hand. So hypothetical, I could have finished it on time. Yeah, time, future. On, future la, finish, char. Because since the suffix is ra, so char, wa, you. I could have finished it on the time. Nye, te, it. Nye, te, future la charwa ye. I could have finished it on time. Nye te future la charwa yu. Tindes cheche ta dide pöyi labya tang nyanga labya ki tinde nyentun dide yunani pöba tso tonang sheta nangi mindu. Ani ta titup seseba gugiyor, the ready-made sentence. Seseba dide gugiyor, tindes shevene sosorangi namje peje cheya ki chongdar sheta yungi mare. I could have finished it on time. I could have done it on my own. On my own. This chitup shi. This cheche ani chinda jungni ki che nishu ne nima shitu sheni ki jingla chinda yore. 제장 길시 캐나초 달질링기 예윤라 슈기여나 인직 민직 고급 상포대 푹 막겹네 인직 민직 땅로나 니마 십주능라 셔던교 투바 표지로 투바 샤프트탑 투바 롤모땅 투바 디데 용그레 제장 인지 민지 땅로나 켜사 다질링기 인베 겐라 쇼고마르베 코란기 년통 약보에 15직서샤 딱 년통 약보디 약보 예메 지당 미시라 하고요 말 벌나 벵골리기 뭐마 년통 속에 사ത്യ지 드라이 임바에 전당한 텐된 메다 코란기 년통 년tin pe misi ya ko sogar mimang kitagyo marko mimang la khari ko gorsana 년tin ta be kabla meto thata pata khashe chikje she nyimbo khashe chikje ani yuljong switzerland gi yuljong so to di ning je boten de tena mimang kitagyo re ani ta kesa kale khari cheche 초강다 칸송데 록겐디 약보 가져 예매 미망게 하고 마서 아니 코라 당한주 다르진 기 몸수 촉배 강삭 다원 노불라 롭산 생게라 아니 카슈부터 데케사 년도 속에 코라 다지닝 내레샤 야 카샹을 쇼겐치기 년통 빼미시 야보 소는데도 딘데 코난츠 년도 sebab siga yang pigmento rimba mebala pebro nang sena yang lelawo pigmento pe thap kyo resha tine longen sabata konan gi ningje longen de ya gita tulche di namje kangdo kasakala kora kemni pegdo koran kulye shida kyo re koran kulye shida kyo sha tuche chesne shuken ya shida midu pe misi khal shugore 나라도 지도디 라가 약고치나 가소시라 메게 뱃대 거랑 몸에 미당 타데 미 뱃대 교과 친제 딱해서 투지치양 수견 약고치는 민도 굴레 딘렉견제 롱년양 약부 시부 직서샤 초와 슉 첨부 시부 용야 지금 뭐마 미망저 가능해 간데께도 디 하고야 제도 아니 다 제일 아니 제 용라서